In this video we will explain you how patient engagement is related to accessibility, accountability and assurance.
We have been hearing a lot that future of medicine is patient-centric.
Let me acknowledge you that patient engagement is crucial not only for clinical outcomes, but also for financial growth.
I have observed that almost 50% of articles or white papers are talking about patient engagement either through technology or proactive interactions. I would like to draw a parallel between customer engagement and patient engagement.
It is essential to have accessibility, accountability and assurance for products and services sold by the company for customer engagement.
This principle of business is equally true for patient engagement as well. Let's look at the role of accessibility, accountability and assurance in creating patient-centric medical practice or patient engagement. Let's see how accessibility is related. Accessibility refers to the quality of being available when needed. How many times does a patient need to call the office in order to get answers for her questions? How soon can a patient find an appointment when they don't feel well? Can a patient pick up the phone and reach out her doctor on the weekend? How soon do patients hear back from the office staff in regards to their referral or authorization requests?
The questions asked define accessibility factor in patient engagement. Several providers are concerned about clinical compliance and medication adherence by their patients.
However, it is observed that both of these are achieved easily if the patients don't have to make several calls to reach their clinical coordinators or physicians. Now let's see the role of accountability. In patient engagement, accountability is nothing but an obligation or willingness to accept responsibility. This simple word defines a lot of expectations from patients, from medical practice, staff and caregivers. Some of these expectations are appointment reminder from practice, proactive notification for test results, clinical reminders for risk management including tests, referrals, blood work or therapy, reminders for annual well visits, prompt callback for left messages, timely completion of referral completed for medications or diagnostic tests, callback from providers for seeking answers to their health-related questions.
So accountability and patient engagement means assuming responsibility for above expectations from patients.
Last but not the least, let's see how assurance is related to patient engagement. Assurance means a promise that patient's health-related problem will be resolved by his doctor. It is utmost important for caregivers or providers to keep themselves well educated with diseases, medications, diagnostic tests and resolutions. We have seen several examples wherein providers have lapsed in care or decision-making, resulting in adverse clinical outcomes and possible lawsuits. Assurance also puts reasonable expectations from tried staff or clinical assistants. They need to make sure that they have taken a detailed interview of the patient and identified social and family risk factors.
Finally, I would like to conclude this video by stating that patient engagement is no different than any other business success stories.
For more details, kindly contact us anytime. Thank you for watching.